Hello and welcome to Integrator Dima channel, and in this video we will briefly discuss the UML diagrams. What is it, how to use, why do we need it? Let's go. So UML stands for Unified Modeling Language, and it's basically all type of diagrams that you can see in the web. And if someone will ask you to, let's say, visualize some complex solution or give them an answer, it's very easy to simply break it into some diagrams and visualize it very quickly in some online tool, and they will be really satisfied and happy. As well as you can share and collaborate with your team members in terms of different UML types of diagrams. So you can specify, okay, please create, let's say, this type of like timeline diagram or whatever, and they will understand exactly what you are talking about. So let's jump to the usage. It helps engineers and non-technical team members to discuss, collaborate, and be effectively working together on complex projects. And the main characteristics are simplifying complex ideas and systems, visualize complex code, keep developers aligned on the same page, provide big picture view of complex things and solutions. It's great for non-technical people and to explain them something that it's not easy to share, and also it improves cross-team collaboration. So what type of UML diagrams we have explained on this page? It's structural and behavior. So to behavior we can add different activity, interaction, state machine diagrams, use cases, for example, what happens in case A or B, or if we will make this decision or that, how to come to the final goal and share with other team members, or make particular decision, or see if something is changed after certain steps or interactions. And when we speak about structure, we usually link things to object-oriented programming, and that's why it's very coupled with class diagrams. So class can reflect some entity like user can belong to, let's say, some organization. Then you can have multiple relations between those entities, and you can reflect it in structured diagrams. So also other subtypes of structured diagram is composite structure diagram, component, deployment, package, profile, and object diagram. So in simple words, it's everything about what you are building. You are trying to show to other people how it works, what it consists of, and how you collect those elements and reflect them in some diagram, and to share with other people how to use it, what is it inside, and so on. So yeah, moving on, here is a simple way of showing the diagram, and you can use free or paid services online. Some of them are like Plant UML, Lucidchart, newlab.com, Whimsical, and I will jump to my browser and show you Plant UML. So this is an very old fashion looking website, but it is free. So you can see sequence diagram, use case, class, object diagram, activity diagram, and you can read how it works and see the examples. And then it's not very easy probably to create it from something like what's reflected here, but yeah, we'll see better examples. But you can understand at least in a classic way how it works, how an interaction happen, and what types of UML diagrams you should know. And modern and paid services like Lucidchart is here, so you can see they visualize how you can share, create, and collaborate. It's very easy to use and probably very good option for the team. So next one is newlab. They also have very good user interface, and you can try it. Should be very easy to create and connect your UML diagrams, share with people, and make perfect decisions. By the way, very often when you are under the interview process and people ask you to to do something like explain like how Uber works or things like around architecture, probably one of the best way to visualize the task and the solution is to start creating UML diagram. And one of my favorite is whimsical.com. So if you will click the suggested templates, you can find multiple diagrams here. So they have some local names, but probably all of those are reflecting behavior or structural UML diagrams. You can even choose UML sequence diagram, for example, and yeah, they explain how you can draw it. So for example, double click and you can type something here, or if you hitting C and drawing diagram, so yeah, it should work something like that. So usually a good example of this one can be, let's say in payments, it can be an transaction status. So you created an order, it's like a pending transactions, and it can be confirmed, then it can be, let's say, captured, then it can be refunded, partially refunded, and due, overdue, and so on. So you can reflect it here, like, or you can show how request response work or whatever else. And yeah, that's very useful, and there are a lot of use cases. That was a basic brief about UML diagrams, and I will also share a good article about each particular diagram and how it can be used with more description if you're curious. And basically that's it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.